Welcome to Kishore's NEET Pathasala. In this video, we will see the concept of gravitation potential energy and gravitation potential. First, gravitational potential energy. It is indicated by letter U, and U is equal to minus G into m1 m2 by r, where r is the gravitational potential. Suppose this is a mass m1, this is mass m2, and it is separated by a distance r, then potential energy of this system is minus G into product of masses divided by the distance between them. Okay, so the gravitational potential energy follows the principle of superposition, that is, it follows the rules of summation. Suppose if you assume a system to be like this, mass m1, m2 and m3 are at three sides of a triangle and each are separated by some distance, then potential energy of the system is given as potential energy between mass m1 and m2, that is minus g m1 m2 divided by r12 plus minus g m2 m3 divided by r23 plus minus g m3 m1 divided by r13. So we must remember that the potential energy follows the rules of superposition. Now let us work out a numerical. Work done they are asking. So work done is equal to change in potential energy. This you must remember. And one direct formula I will give. Suppose if they are giving the questions like this, that from the surface of the earth you are rising a mass to a height h. From surface you are rising to a mass m to a height h, then change in potential energy or work done is given by mgh plus 1 plus h by r. Here they are asking work done to raise a mass m from surface of the earth to a height h, where height h is equal to the radius of the earth. They have given h is equal to r. So that is mgr plus 1 plus r by r, which is mgr by 2. So B option is the right answer. Now let us see another one, next concept, gravitational potential, which is indicated by letter V, where gravitational potential is given as work done divided by mass. Work done unit is joule, mass is kg, so unit is joule per kg is the SI unit, which is potential formula you must remember, minus gm by r, where V is inversely proportional to the distance. So this also you must remember. Okay, these two things you must remember. Now let us work out on numerical. Two spheres of radii 20 cm of mass 10 power 4 kg and 10 power 6 kg are separated by 100 meter. So first sphere A of mass 10 power 4 kg and radius 20 cm. Okay, it is separated from another sphere of radius 20 cm but mass is 10 power 6 kg and let it be B. It is separated by 100 meter. Find the potential at midpoint, that is 50 meter from this side and 50 meter from this sphere. So potential at midpoint is potential of the sphere A at midpoint plus potential of the sphere B at midpoint. So potential of sphere A is minus G into mass of the sphere A divided by distance between the sphere A and the midpoint, that is 50 meter, plus minus G into mass of sphere B by distance between the sphere and midpoint. So that is 50 meter. Mass of sphere A is 10 power 4 kg plus minus mass of sphere B is 10 power 6 kg, that is equal to 1.35 into 10 power minus 6 joule per kg. Now this is the next question, the most common type of numerical, and it's the previous year question, AAPMT 2011 and AAPMT 2010. A particle of mass m is situated at center of a spherical shell of same mass and radius a. So see that there is a spherical shell of radius a, and another, this mass is m. Another one mass we are keeping at center, another center whose mass is also the same m. The potential at distance a by 2 from the center. So let this point be P At what is the potential at point P? They are asking, which is at a distance a by 2 from center. So potential at point P is equal to potential due to the spherical shell plus potential due to the mass at center. So potential due to spherical shell is minus gm by its radius is a, plus potential due to the mass at center at P, which is minus g into the same mass m divided by what is the distance between the mass kept at the center and point P, which is a by 2. So a by 2 is the distance between P and center, which is minus 3gm by a. So C option is the right answer. Okay, I hope you like this lecture. If you like this lecture, please subscribe Kishore's NEET Padasala. Like, share and comment on this video. Thank you.